One of my favorite places to sell is my own backyard. You're not just buying the house. 5461, you're buying the yard. You're buying the yard. Damn it, D-Roy. All right, so usually what I like to do is during the first run, once I show them the house originally, I like to walk with the other agent and the clients, give them the dog and pony show, and then at the end of that, I give them space with their agent. So I say, okay, this is, you know, the house, it's this old, and the pipes are this, and the roof is this. And then once I'm done, I say, I'm gonna give you guys some privacy. I'm around, but I'm just not overhounding them. Everybody kind of feels awkward anyway. Like somebody's been living in this house. And in this particular property, 5461, this guy's been living here for 50 years. 50 years. So you bet, you know, there's a lot of emotion going along, and where are you most comfortable? With the people you know. So I give them space with their agent. I back away from the situation. I'm always here to answer anything. That's kind of the way this game works. Barb, it's G. How do you think it went? I think they're gonna make an offer. Yeah, let's rock and roll. Let's get this thing done. I think this is a very qualified buyer. He loves the house. So we're off to downtown Fort Lauderdale, or as I like to call it, Gotham. We're gonna go show my property to this guy that was claiming that he had everybody's got the hottest buyer in the world, you know? At least 20% of the people will call me and tell me that their buyer's ready to make a move. So how do I shut that down? Every time you show my properties, I make them bring a pre-approval or a proof of funds. It's that simple. So we're off to help one of my clients who, when you use me as a real estate agent and you use the think like a G, it's because I think like a general contractor. And because I think like a general contractor, I help people out with the renovations of their homes sometimes. I have a team, I got plumbers and electricians, and because I'm always renovating my properties. So when I sell your property, if I decide I want to sell your property, you can use my team. This to me makes the biggest difference out of any renovation you can do is smooth walls. Okay, so essentially, I like the view of this property. You know, when he asked me for my consultation on this, I'm thinking to myself, so if I'm their age, why would I want 3 stories? Well, they don't. So I'm helping them renovate this while we're selling that property over there. I got my team here, the walls look great, the view is awesome. He already brought his boat over here. And best of all, I got a happy friend and client.